Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am, sir. I'm Realin Asuncion. I'm 32 years old. I live in Barangay San Andres, Gimban, Nueva Ecija.
And what is your height and weight?
My height is 5'2" and 48 kilos.
Are you single or married?
I'm married po, ma'am.
And how many children do you have?
I have four children.
What are the ages of your children?
I'm 11, 9, 4, and 1 year old.
1 year old. Okay. And do you have any work experience?
Yes, ma'am, by Mirna Bautista.
And how many family members did you serve?
5 members in the family, 2 older and 3 children.
The 2 couples and the 3 children. How
Yes,
old are the
ma'am.
children?
13, 10, and 8 years old.
Okay. And what is your main duty?
Housemaid.
And do you clean the house?
Yes, ma'am. I'm wash the clothes. Cleaning the car.
Okay. How about the children? Are you the one taking care of them?
Yes, ma'am. I'm care the children.
And are you the only one helper in the house?
No, ma'am. I'm 3.
Your 3 helpers in the
Yes,
house.
ma'am.
And your only duty is to clean the house,
Clean
take
the
care of the
house.
babies,
Take care of the
and wash
babies.
the clothes.
Yes, ma'am.
And how about on your free time? Do you help your co-helpers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And are you the one taking care of your children since their birth until now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and can you show us the feeding procedure on the newly born babies?
Yes, ma'am. Can you clean the bottle and mix the formula and then shake and then check the temperature and then put the baby,
Feed the baby.
feed the baby.
After feeding,
Can you put the baby and back in your shoulder and after the
swipe the back
swap the back and after birth.
to make the baby
To make
birth.
the baby.
Okay, thank you. How about the bathing procedure?
Check the bowl, the water, and then check the temperature in the elbow, and then put the baby, the towel,
Okay,
the
prepare
towel.
all the things needed.
Yes,
Okay, then if the temperature of the water is okay, you can now take the bath of the baby.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, how about an elderly? Do you have any experience taking care of them?
No, ma'am.
But you're willing to learn, right?
I'm willing to learn.
Okay, what are the appliances that you know how to operate?
I operate washing machine, iron, electric pan, oven, rice cooker.
Okay, and do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am. Filipino food. Like
Okay.
adobo, sinigang, pakbet, and
How about some fried dishes, soups? Do you know how to prepare?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, and how about Chinese dishes? Are you willing to learn
Yes, ma'am.
how
I'm
to
willing
prepare?
to learn.
Okay. Most people in Hong Kong are speaking Cantonese. Are you willing to learn their language
Yes, ma'am. I do my best. I'm willing to learn.
for better communication? Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because the big salary reduction.
For higher salary
Hiring salary reduction.
and for the better of your better future of your children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what would you like to say to your future employer?
If you hire me, I promise I do my best.
And can you promise to be honest and obedient?
Yes, ma'am.
And can you promise also to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am. I do my best to finish my 2 years contract.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.